Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. My name is Season. Today we're playing Ratchet and Tank.
Hey, honey!
Well, we're from Atlas is rated. And thank you for the art team. Did an amazing job.
Hey, yeah, weird question. You wouldn't happen to know anything about building a Dimensionator, would you?
Ratchet? Ratchet! Gary! Your reputation precedes you.
Yeah.
You'll need to go to the interdimensional archives. My apprentice can help you. But,
Town under attack?
how did you know?
I'll go check it out. I think I still remember how to stop an invasion. So I'm guessing these nefarious guys are looking for a Lombax?
Oh my gosh. Big bad guys.
Luck, Ratchet.
An intruder! Something's fine!
A flying sniper bot? That's a new one. Ha!
So down, there's more bad eyes. Let's spawn here. All bad eyes, their heads.
Nah.
All bad eyes.
Everyone's saved. Now about those archives.
It's a beautiful map, very, very nice.
No! Whoa! Hey!
So embarrassing.
You all right? That was quite the landing.
Who are you?
Sorry, You look so familiar. I'm Ratchet. I'm here to find, I think it was Gary's apprentice. I need to build a Dimensionator.
Oh dear. Well, there's little I can do seeing as my archives are walking away. How do I get back up there?
Oh, you're his apprentice. Maybe we could work together?
I do not make a great partner.
How about this? If things go badly, which they won't, we go our separate ways. No questions asked. Team?
Sure. Team. For now. In order to reach the archives, we must rescue the monks from Nefarious' forces. Here, these hover boots will help us travel across the mesa quickly.
Woohoo!
This is so fun.
We will need help from the monks, Gary's acolytes, to reach the archives. They should be in their temples.
First stop, temples. Hey, I never caught your name.
Oh. I am KT-7461.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
There are 3 temples nearby. The Mountain Temple, the Primeval Forest Temple, and the Temple de Badlands. We call it the Badlands Temple. More sand sharks!
More bad eyes. Here we go.
They are holding the monks prisoner. Ratchet, we must save them. They are our only way to the archives.
We'll get them out. I promise. What? At least the monks are safe behind that shield. For now.
Do you mind if I ask you a question? As a Lombax?
Sure, but I'm not really an expert on the Lombaxes. I'm kind of the last one in my dimension. No, I'm from another dimension.
Yes, I know.
You do?
I am Gary's apprentice. More of the Emperor's forces.
At least the monks are safe behind that shield. For now.
Let us interrogate the monster within a quarter of pummeling.
How much pummeling is that?
As much as you can!
Sniper box!
My brain is in tears!
Not gonna stop me!
All nefarious forces have been eliminated. Thank you, Ratchet.
Happy to help. And kick nefarious trooper butt.
Ratchet, that terminal. I must access it. Brothers, I am relieved you are all right.
It is like so wonderful to see you, Sister KT-7461.
Did Nefarious' troops find the other temples yet?
Not sure, but we'll let Brother Gary know you rescued us. Good luck, Sister. And Lombax.
One temple down, 2 to go.
I know the monks are trying to stay strong, but they are unfamiliar with the cruelty of the Emperor.
They'll be all right. We're here. So, KT-7461, do you have a nickname?
The monks call me sister.
That feels more like a title. Let's try some out. How about KT? I got it. Sunshine. Your nickname. 'Cause you're yellow?
I do not think so.
Kit? We'll keep working on it. What did you want to know about the Lombaxes?
We believe the Lombax is used, and perhaps built, the temples here. Do you know why they would have...
So how'd you get to be Gary's apprentice?
It is a long story. I am lucky that Gary saw potential in me.
You seem different from the other monks around here.
I know. I am smaller.
Don't feel bad. I'm usually the shortest person in the room except for Clank. For my best friend.
Valuable to volunteer. Nice move. No one can resist Fahrenheit. I have
Okay,
something nice.
that hurt. Not feeling my best.
found my apprentice. Well done, both of you. You're ready to enter the Mountain Temple.
Nice! Let's go.
Well, you're emotionally ready. You do need to overcome the temple's elaborate defense system, or as we lovingly call it, Trial/Doom.
Oh, I hate /Doom.
You're ready for it, I'm sure. Best
Go! Follow the path as fast as you can. The track is about to collapse. Look out!
Can't take much more of this. All right, let's keep going.
Good idea.
I can make it. I can make it.
Oh no!
These trials seem kind of dangerous.
They are a defense system for the temple. I suspect its builders were very secretive.
I bet.
For 5 seconds, guys. Give it a.
Come on.
We completed the trials. Thank you.
I couldn't have done it without you. Now, let's try to help the monks.
This fog is as annoying as those monks' perpetual optimism.
Sniper bots!
You can use the fog to your advantage here.
That's right, we did it! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Oh no! A Zeta virus! I cannot access the terminal without risking contracting it.
My little friend Glitch can take a look at it. Here, let me see.
Those poor monks! Just need to delete the pods, which will clear out the infection and free those boys for Ratchet. That is no problem. Because you know what you got, Glitch? This. You got this. It can shoot now, too!
saved us, Sister and Ratchet Guy. Thank you.
There is only one temple left. One more temple. Only one more.
We'll find them. I promise. Looks like this cable runs.
As I said, you should not try to give me a nickname. Or be my friend.
I think you're being too hard on yourself.
You do not know. We just met.
I know Gary trusts you. The monks like you. Maybe give the whole friendship thing a chance.
I will consider it. Who is Clank?
Clank. He always has my back, no matter what.
Where is he now?
Helping me stop Nefarious, but we had to split up.
Oh, I am sorry. The Primeval Forest Temple.
Feels so good to be a part of
The Emperor
something
has
bigger.
no respect for any of them.
Let's teach him some.
Hold them all for the Emperor! Dodge and free the prisoners!
Not gonna stop me.
I must remember to polish my attire.
I have landed a hit! I have you now!
Need more ammo.
I am still in
Only hurt for a moment!
Ratchet, I must use that terminal to free my brothers.